This is a LGK-70 plasma cutting machine. The customer said that as soon as the machine is turned on, it will trip immediately. First, let's check if the 3 rectifier bridges are broken. Okay. All 3 rectifier bridges are broken. These 3 bad rectifier bridges must be replaced with new rectifier bridges. This is the new rectifier bridge. Just reinstall it. Should be able to use normally. Now the 3 rectifier bridges have been installed. Let's try it and see if it still trips. It's running normally now. The numbers displayed are also normal. The arcing effect is also normal. High frequency is also normal. Now hook up the cutting gun and give it a try. Normal cut. Now the machine is done. These 3 rectifier bridges are broken. Just replace it. Okay, if you like this video, can follow us. Thanks for watching.